Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of 4th of July, or Independence Day as it's known here in America, and we are using the ReddHeadStickers Patriot kit. I am very excited about this. It is going to be a very good social media spread. So I'm actually using the mini Happy Planner dashboard kit mainly for this spread, but we are also using a few other items, maybe. I don't know if I'm going to pull all of these or if I'm going to save some. We'll figure that out. But I have her torn paper, and if you guys have seen any of my Plan With Me's, you know how much I'm obsessed with torn paper and like paper scraps. Coffee Planner Mom calls them layering pieces. ReddHeadSticker calls them torn paper. They're all called different things. They're journaling pieces and they're so cute and I'm obsessed. So we're going to use, hopefully, these. Then I also have from her, like, full a la carte kit, the full boxes and the washi, because I knew I would need washi for this, and I knew that this dog was so cute and I'd want to feature him in the spread. So that's what we're working with here. Of course, I've got some washi that I'm going to probably use. I'm not even going to say maybe, I will probably use it. So we are going to go ahead and get into the spread without all the chit-chatting. We are going to line the spine, surprise, with my red washi, but I'm going to do something else after I line it. Okay, now that I have this red spine down the spine, words are hard, we're going to take the washi from the mini dashboard kit and we're going to cut it in half. And I know that is super scary. It kind of freaks me out a little bit too, but we are just going to go ahead and do it, and hopefully it won't be a huge disaster like I usually have things end up being. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I just cut that crooked, but it's too late now. We're gonna lay this washi down. I think we're only gonna use one of them because I also want to cut this in half. Again, I should have kept this on the paper, but I am a silly goober and I don't do that. I'm gonna do this one up here. Gotta turn it. Oh goodness. And then this one, because I cut it a little thinner than the other, we're going to put this one down here. Alright guys, it's starting to look like something. I'm excited now. It's starting to come together. Let's go ahead and get these dates on. I'm going to go ahead and write out all of this. Okay, let's go ahead and get some plans on here before I forget everything. So we're going to use this box here in just a second. Once I pull it up, here we go. I'm going to use this box here for my filming list. And I need a box. Here we go. There we go. Now it's centered. And then we're going to do the editing list. And I think with the editing list, we'll just leave it, well, maybe we can do something fancy with it. Let's see. So we've got some bullets here, or some, not bullets, but little, what are these called? Checklists. Got some checklists. So let's see what we can do with these. I actually really kind of like that. I think that is super, super fun. Okay. We're going to use the flag sticker. If it'll come off. We're going to put that here. And with the full box, we get this fun little patriotic scene, and I'm going to use that down here. There we go. Oh, this is going to be so cute. And for the this week, going to keep that here. And this is technically not part of the kit, but I do have some items from ReddHeadStickers, like boxes and things, and I'm going to use those to help add some functionality to the spread, because I forgot to get full boxes from that kit. So just going to place these here. I don't know if I like it like this. Maybe we're going to put this one up here. There we go. Now I have some boxes for functionality. I think I'm going to go with this blue. Because I want to use as many of the boxes that come with this kit as possible. And I really like this one. This did not come with the kit. This is actually from I think a fall kit from ReddHeadStickers, and I like that one. So I thought it would go well, because I know I already used the this week, but this needs to be for my Simply Sweetly Crafty posts. So I thought this would go better. There we go. That's much better. Okie dokie. Now what should we do? I've got to figure out. I need to add some boxes on this side, I think, is what my next goal is. So the 4th of July is on Tuesday. So why don't we do this cute puppy and the 4th of July hat over here on Tuesday. Okay, well maybe we'll just do the cute puppy and put this one here. I kind of like that better. And then we'll use the cowboy boots. And yeah, we'll use these florals. These cowboy boots are going to put here, along with these really pretty florals. And I have this set of full boxes, and I think I'm going to do the truck right here on Saturday. Alrighty, so we're going to put a sticker here and one there. One here. I think that'll be good. Oh, and I need one for my Instagram pods, so we'll put this one here. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner using the Patriot kit from ReddHeadStickers, her mini happy planner dashboard, and her normal kit. And then I also added some Phoebe icons that are the social media ones. And then instead of the Etsy sticker, and I know you guys just saw this, but instead of the Etsy sticker, I replaced it with a TikTok sticker, and these TikTok icons are from Simply Sweetly Crafty. If you guys are interested in getting your own Patriot kit or any of the other kits that ReddHeadStickers has, she has lots and lots of kits, lots of icons, these social media icons, these recording icons, lots of fun things that you can get on her Etsy site. Don't forget to use my code Megan for 15% off and you will receive my really awesome ReddHeadStickers freebie. It is full of summer and fun, and I absolutely really encourage you to check out her Etsy. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with lots of different things from polymer clay to art prompt journal books and of course planners. All of those are linked in playlists and different categories of planner and non-planner related media. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was inspiring to you. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!